Yo, what's happening? Uh, exe.dev. Yo, what's happening, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Check out the stream. Let me fix the sound. For some reason, I always insist on hitting record. Oh, I got an echo. Oh, there we go. As I say, for some reason, I always hit record and forget that I have a gigantic air purifier, which is nice to have, but it's just like right under my desk, aka right under the microphone. And so it sounds like I'm in a wind tunnel because I kind of am in a wind tunnel. But okay, we're fixed. We're back at it. So there's this thing called exe.dev, and I'm gonna do that now, I guess. So I'm gonna sign up, kind of off screen, in case it asks for payment details and such. Okay. What's my fingerprint? Subscribe to the newsletter. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, cool. Continue the dashboard. So what do I do? What do I do? I'm going to create a new VM. I want to spend $20. That seems reasonable. That seems fine. That seems great. So now I should be able to go here and yo, okay, that's cool. You'll see my email address, whatever. It's not hidden or anything. You can spam me at any time. Verify with Google. Okay. Verified. And I'm in. Seriously? That's it? Do I have to do anything else? Okay, so I'm in. Got it. current this is in your sudo. Yeah, okay. I guess I'm in. What can I do now? What can I do now? I don't know. Let's look at the documentation. Let's look at the site. Docs. Yeah, so I guess a lot of the use cases are around like agents and stuff, which makes sense. I want to. Be funny if Claude's already here. Oh, cool. Okay, I guess so. I should log in with. All right. Okay. Cool. So, there we go. Now it works. Authorize. Copy code. Okay, cool. Okay. Trust the folder. Sure. So what I saw was also ships with pi. Okay, that's awesome. Amazing. Do I have to log in again? Or does it pick up the crowd? Let's do it again. That's fine. Claude. Let's just do it this way. 4, 4, 6. Cool. Hello. Okay, cool. We're in. All right. That's cool. It does ship with pi. That's very cool. Okay, that Red Bull hit a little too hard. I'm also going to get Nix on here. NixOS. I want to run. Yeah, let's do it. NixOS, in fact, I actually never heard of that. Amazing. Yeah, why not? Why not? I don't even know if I want to do anything yet. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's see if we can get. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I guess it's installing NixOS. In fact, NixOS. In fact. Yeah, cool. Okay. This has not been, so it's been tested on a bunch of different hosting providers like Hetzner, DigitalOcean, Vulture, OVH Cloud, all the common ones, not necessarily on exe.dev. So this will be probably a first. They might totally destroy it, but that's okay. Yeah, okay. So let's go back in. So what happened when we ran NixOS? In fact, in our last session. Let's try continuing. I bet I could. Maybe I could, there also just might be in exe like a different distro I could pick. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Sorry to just burp in your face here. All right, let's see. I might get immediately banned from exe.dev for. I don't think I'm doing. I'm not doing anything illegal. I don't think NixOS is illegal, but it is highly. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that all. This is all stuff that's redundant, but I thought there was like a. What do I type to get the Ubuntu version, or the distro? That doesn't matter. All right, fine. I wonder if I could just delete this. Delete this machine. Delete this VM. Bye. Create a new one. Okay, so I just created a new one. Copy. Okay, that is crazy how fast that started up. That's awesome. I guess what I'd like to do is put. So if I can't have NixOS, that's fine. Let me put dev onto it. Do. Okay. Okay, cool. And yeah. There's Nix profile. How do you see this? Yeah, we'll do it this way. Okay. Yeah. This is going well, I guess. Let's just make okay, that works. Do a get? We have get. Cool. Let's do this. Apt get update. Let's do this. What's this? Sudo apt get install gh get what is it called? Oh, we already have gh. All right. Okay, cool. Gh clone hyper. Okay. 8084 808408C8. C8. Okay, hold on. Gotta use my thing here. There we go. Okay. Okay, cool. So try that again. Okay, cool. Now I should be able to do devenv shell. Okay, let's let that do its thing. Let's let that do its thing. So the question I have is, can I create, are all the VMs the same size? Can I change those? I don't know. So this is just like a little project I've been working on today. It's like a Pokemon style game in Zig. And I want to see if, without installing anything, that I can just build and run it in devenv. I mean, I should be able to. That's kind of the point of devenv. But was it like hung up or something? What's going on, man? What are you doing? What's the name of my thing? Anchor. Cool. So I should be able to run devenv tasks, run Axios, run. I mean, this is still building. I don't know. I shouldn't be messing with it, probably. Yeah, okay. So okay. Tasks. Tasks. Run Axios build. Aha. So Claude is, or we have Pi too, right? So Pi. Run dev and tasks. Tell me if needs fixing. So my guess is oh, sorry. probably don't actually have. Yeah. Okay, that's why. Yeah, I was gonna say. So it's gonna install Zig. I want Zig inside. I want Zig inside devenv. Can't we get Zig up, and Zig? Instead of managing it. I'd like devenv to just be the whole container. I shouldn't say container, not container. Can't say container when we talk about Nix. People will get upset, but you know what I mean. Same, same bundle, same devenv configuration. Okay, so I mean, if I can't, then that's fine too, I guess. I'm not gonna like destroy the world over it. I'm not gonna burn the world down. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So it'd be good. I mean, Zig is supposed to be very good for cross platform stuff. And so I only ran this on my MacBook so far today, so I want to see if it runs and or builds. I don't know if it'll run because it'll want to open up a new window. Let's see if it at least builds. While that's happening, I'm going to try. Excuse me. Go to another project. I got the hiccups. Excuse me. Now see if this runs all by itself. Okay, here's a question. Here we go. Excuse me. Dev has languages.sig with a package option. We can use the line. Okay, cool. Cool. Excuse me. Mm. Why is it taking so long to build? Why have hiccups? I have hiccups. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. Okay, ran out of disk space. That. Yep. Yes, I'm not surprised. Damn it. Excuse me. Oh, burps. I'm sorry. Dude, these hiccups. I'm glad I started a live stream just to have hiccups. All right, this thing's going nuts. Okay, let's do this. Let's call my dot files. This will definitely kill my. So I've done a whole kind of rewrite of my home manager.files, and in doing so, I only got it to run on my Mac, but let's get it to run here too. Why not? Oh. Now, excuse me, for most sandbox scenarios, you're not going to need to run It comes with 20 gigabytes of disk. Is that what it was? 20? And that's probably plenty for most, most agent sandboxes. Oh my god. Excuse me, most agent sandboxes is probably plenty for most apps that you want to run if you want to use it as an app server. I'm trying to get it to run. Oh my god, really? I'm trying to run it as like a second computer with all my dot files and all my Nix crap. And Nix is going to eat even a small Nix. A small Nix setup is going to, eat up 10 gigabytes right there. So I'm not surprised I ran out of room. Oh my god. Guys, why am I burping so much? Pricing. 25. Oh my god, 25 gigabytes of disk. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm dying. So I guess I could ask for more custom setup. Okay, cool. Okay, so additional disk, 8 cents per gigabyte per month. That's pretty reasonable. So for $20 a month, you get 25 VMs, 2 CPUs, 8 gigs of RAM. I think that's probably plenty for most. It's definitely plenty for most tiny sandboxes, and even for moderate sized app servers. But a little extra disk would be nice for what I'm trying to do. Let's see. Let's do the math here. Home managers activated successfully. Okay, cool. So let's see. So this update command. See if that runs. I guys need to do. Let me do this. Let me exit out and go back in. Maybe I need. Let me just do this. I guess this is gonna hang forever. I don't know. Okay. Do a little reboot. Do a little reboot. Do a little reboot. See what happens. Okay, that's pretty quick. That's very nice. Yeah, restart in a minute. I mean, by the time, so if I were to create a new VM, or create a new, create a new VM. By the time I copy the name of the machine to SSH into, like by the time I do that, it's already kind of started. So like super fast boot up times. I love that. I mean, it's what you want in a. That's what you want in a. I like that. Yeah. That's what you want in a sandbox, like super quick startup times. So excellent. What was I going to do now? So when I rebooted machine, I don't know if it kicked in. I'm still in bash. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't have that set up, so let's make sure it does that. Cool. I wonder if otherwise. So, okay. Wait, it did. Wait, yeah. Okay, it did. It did. Oh, I'm in my. So I can do like which starship. Okay. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. Let's just leave here. Let's see, projects. This is going to blow up again, but I want to try it. There's so much stuff in here. I'd be almost disappointed if it didn't crash. I mean, I wouldn't be disappointed, but I'd be surprised. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it crashes. Yeah, okay, it did. That's fine. NH clean, that's what it is. NH clean. NH clean all. What? Okay, let's do that here. And then now I've got my handy little update button. No? What? up run nh. Oh yeah. Oh, because it's not Darwin. So I should run nh os switch. Update should use os, like push d on dot files. And I'm using a new keyboard too, guys. So everything's new. And nh os switch and nh what is it? nh home. There were some warnings about Yazi and Vim. I mean, if nothing else, it made my dot files a little tighter by just a brand new sandbox place to test. Cool. And yeah, cool. Okay. In the update command, can we finish by running nh clean all? Cool. Can you run update command to test? Let's come back here. This is not going to work for now, but let's try dev tasks run Axios builds. Oh yeah, it's not NextOS, so yeah. Oh, manage is fine. And she's looking for X. Okay, cool. Perfect. Can we set up a quick bootstrap sh exe to run in this repo for the first time we run after cloning before we have dot files set up for the first time and don't have access to bench. That'll be kind of helpful. There we go. Cool. We've got update. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Is there? Can we make sure that the update command also works for Darwin machines? I mean, to be fair, I guess when I was building the Zig game on my Mac, it's much more. I got a ton more cores and RAM and all this, so maybe the build time is just a little slower on a smaller machine. I don't know. Could be. I am liking it, though. I'm really liking it. I'm loving it. If nothing else, cool. Wait, what? Why did that not work now? What the heck? Do. Okay, oh my gosh. I might have just destroyed the computer. Old computer. What the heck? What happened? Let me share a different screen quick while I figure out. Share screen. Okay, follow this guy on Twitter because he's awesome and he hooked me up. He offered to give me a little trial run, but I said no. I want to give you money. So I have a invite if anyone wants one. I can forward it along. Just hit me up on Twitter. Seed email. Hey, that's cool. Yeah, I like that you can share stuff. You can just like, I guess, just yeah. Um, I'm trying to. All right, I just had to mess with my SSH keys. I did something weird. I did something weird. I don't know. I think we're back. I think I fixed everything. Maybe. I hope. I might have broken it. I don't know. I might have broken it. What is Shelly? What is Shelly? Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Yet another coding agent. I might have bricked it. But you know what? That's okay. Because what I'll do is I'll just start a new one. Whatever. That's fine. Treat it as ephemeral. It's always a smart move. I added so much stuff right away, guys. I added like 100 gigabytes worth of Nix crap to a 25 gigabyte, not 100 gigabytes, but I added a lot of crap that I didn't need to add necessarily, but I wanted to. So what we'll do is create just a brand new VM, I guess. Actually, let's do this. Can I? Cool. Okay, so I can restart it from. I can restart it from the web dashboard. That's cool. And let's see. No. Okay, let's try this. I actually got to do this because whatever. These are ephemeral. Okay, so let's do this. Let's gh repo. Let's do gh auth login. I probably shouldn't just name them all. GitHub CLI because that's confusing. So let's github.com/login device. Yep. GH repo clone. Files. Okay, cool. I should have pushed, but I didn't get a chance to. Let's bootstrap this machine for our home. You put a bootstrap command into okay. Let's let it do its thing here, and then we'll. Okay, that might take a minute. Oh, I'm realizing that probably I should have. Well, actually, it's fine. So before I set up Nix, but Nix is already installed. So How is Nix already installed? I don't want to know. I don't even want to know. Actually, I do want to know. So does Nix come with it? Does Nix come? Well, we create a new VM. We create a third VM. I really dig how easy this is to set up. Yeah, there's no Nix. So okay. Oh yeah, okay. There, it's not present. So yeah, okay. So it's going to do that. Okay, great. Actually, I like that even more. So it's not even. I want because when I got in here before, I installed Nix manually, but I'd rather the Bootstrap do that. Right. So cool. I'm glad we created 3 computers to update my dot files. I said that as if I'm being sarcastic, but I'm not. That's actually pretty awesome. The Bootstrap should check if it's installed already, but should not assume it is if not install, as you just did. Now we wait, I guess. Now we just wait. Excellent. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. For them. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Can you just infer the Okay, it doesn't for the new site. Great. Okay, so perfect. Great, perfect. Can we add a update shell command that runs push d home dot files and nh home switch and nh home or nh clean all and no, that's it. Bobby and should work on all machines. we set our default get identity in home manager, use username and yo, this is awesome. So now I thought it had that somewhere, but I guess not. So that's cool. Are there any warnings from Nix that should address? I did have it, didn't I? Or whatever. But so let me go and check out my dot files to make sure that it did push. It did. Excellent. So it's got this bootstrap.sh. Excellent. Love it. Yep. The Yahtzee one, there was a Nix film too, wasn't there? Oh yeah, okay, it did fix it. Nix film, yeah, cool. Great. And push every. Oh, okay, no, it's done itself. Good. I'm going to create a new VM. Just one more VM, guys. Just one more VM. This is the last VM, I promise. Photon format. I like that name. So TT2 GitHub / login device. Oh my gosh, what? There you go. What is it? 9C44. C44F50A. Authorize. Cool. So now we can do GH repo clone. CD dot files and run bootstrap. All right, so this is a update didn't work. Bastards. Excuse me. So I am setting my dot files up on ephemeral handboxes and the name like driver Mike may change. Can we just infer these? Like, okay, cool. All right, and on the right, okay, so that's working. Is the command? Oh, the updated command is updated. Okay, good. So now should we do update? Okay, just ran update. Oh, yeah, because I have to actually, yeah. There we go. Okay. Oh. So now, yeah, okay, cool. Okay, amazing. Git pull update. Home switch. I might end up spinning 6 dot file servers up. I don't care. I don't even care, man. Do. Okay. Cool. Heck yeah. So why is that not? Yeah, so this is something we'll need to do at Bootstrap. Can we do this in our Bootstrap script? Excellent. Commit and push, please. Now let me create yet another VM. This one's called Stone Quantum. That's a very cool name. So the workflow is create a new VM. Authenticate into GitHub. And then clone my dot files. How dare you? How dare you again? Obey me, please. Thank you. And run the Bootstrap. So now this will set up, this will install Nix, set up the Nix in Etsy Nix for system-wide config, mostly just adding in the experimental features flags. And then okay, it's enabling flakes. And then, yeah, I guess at this point, actually building out Home Manager. da 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 da. Yeah. 6.7 gigs for just my dot files. That's okay. That's okay. The ultimate step is like the bootstrap would create a new VM, and then I don't know if there's like a good way to do it. It would create a VM. I'm sure there's a way to do it. I'm just trying to think of what to do without as few manual interventions. Create a new VM called whatever dot excuse me, exe.dev, and then wait for it to spin up a couple seconds or whatever. Fire off a gh auth login into the VM. Clone the repo. Start building out Nix. Run the bootstrap, and then wait for it to be done, and then hop into the VM, and then you're just like perfectly working shell. I mean, the biggest pain in there is actually it's not even a big deal. Well, yeah. So I mean, it's because I'm using GitHub auth login. I don't know why I say it like that. I'm using the GH CLI, which my dot files are public, so I could just git clone without any. Can I just do a git clone without any authentication or anything? I think if it's a public repo, it shouldn't matter. I'd also be fine with hosting my dot files elsewhere off of GitHub if it meant easier access. Although having GH is nice in general, so I'm not against that. But what? Oh yeah, so I gotta like NTSH. So then basically, like, I just from like my main computer run like bootstrap exe.dev, and then I pop into here and it's just like ready to go. That would be cool. That would be cool. That would be cool. Let's ask. I am in a VM. Me. Excuse me. in an exe.dev VM. Is there a way for me to starting at my main host to create a VM from wait for it to spin up and then send commands into it specifically to git clone my public dot files, then cd into dot files and run bootstrap.sh, and when that is done, to SSH into the newly set up machine. That'd be the killer feature. I'm sure it's doable, right? Yes, it does. Yeah, okay, yep. Awesome. Yeah. Wait. Okay, my dot files are here. You set this up. Can you that script do this dot? Can you actually make it a CSH command? This is not to be confused with bootstrap.sh, which will oh yeah, I can name them. That's great. Oh no, you can yeah, I like it in there. Nice. Okay. Let's try it, I guess. We could actually just do it from here. It doesn't. Oh, let me plug in my. Whoa, what was that? That was weird. Okay. exe.dev. Yo. Can you just pass in my email? Dang. Well, that's fine. I guess I can. Well, let's try it this way. This is getting messy. It's getting messy and dangerous, but that's cool. I like it. Fair. Yo. Yorst. Oh, okay. Yeah, need to run an update. My bad. Here we go. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I think it's working. We'll go to the dashboard and see how many VMs I've got so far. Probably quite a few. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8. That's not bad. That's not bad. Um, Dude, there's so much crap in here. Like, I don't need Next. It's a full ass web browser. I don't need I don't need Wayland. Yeah, like all this stuff is unnecessary. I mean, Vim stuff is nice for sure. Kind of want to just kill it. No, let's see. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it goes. Yeah, there's probably like there's probably like 100 things in here that I don't need. For a completely like headless dev environment. I don't need Wayland. I don't need Next, etc. So okay. So am I connected? No. I am connected. Okay, so I'm connected to the new. Heck yeah! And if I exit out, yes. Okay. Dudes. Okay, so let's do this. First of all, I'm going to just kill some agents that I don't really need. Why did I say agent? I just read the word agent. Kill some VMs I don't need, like that one we just set out. Oh, okay. So, all of the .exe are lightweight VMs. I don't really need things like Wayland, Next, whatever, for these dev environments. Can we yeah, because so if you look, yeah, so that's like not going to work, right? So we don't need Next. We don't need Waybar. Do I have Waybar? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, don't need Ghosty. Yeah, don't need Ghosty. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh yeah, yeah, I like this. Excuse me. Let's keep NH h and dev and now. See. I'm dying here. Okay, commit and push. Guys, I'm sorry. I farted. I was burping and hiccuping before, and now farting. Terrible experience all around. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so now the whole thing's less than 4 gigs. That's much better. Let's do this quick. Excuse me. commit and push. Excuse me. So now I should be able to do exvn yo mama. Excuse me. Oh, I'm dying, guys. I keep hiccuping. Probably because I'm consuming too much Zen and Red Bulls at midnight. Yeah, this should build much faster anyway because it doesn't have as much crap in it. Still a lot of tree sitter stuff that I probably don't need, and I mean, I could just tighten that up in general, like even on my desktop. I don't need every single tree sitter grammar, you know. Like how often am I using half of this crap? I don't know what half this is. So that's what I should just clean up. I don't need closure. I don't need Dart. I don't need I like Elixir, but I don't need fourth. Maybe I need fourth. I don't know. I don't think I need fourth. Don't need Java. Colin, I don't need. I don't need half this crap. So what I should do actually now is in my actual computer. Huh? Seriously, bro. No. Okay, I'm connected to Yo Mama. Let's double check that. Excellent. And I should be able to do update. Okay. Yeah. How much disk am I using? I'm so lazy now. I'm gonna be honest. I don't feel like writing out the command. Okay, yeah. So, plenty of room left. I guess it's relative, I suppose. Yes, good call. Good call. Okay. Okay, here we go. Cool. God damn it. Um, let's do yeah, kill. Guys, I think this is basically set up. I don't know why my whole projects directory is a Git repo, but okay. Yeah. exe.VM. So now I'm on my MacBook, and let's see what happens. This will be, if I get this to run, then I'm like super happy. I did more than I even expected. I thought I would just mess around for a couple minutes, but I got like a pretty nice way to just spin up a local, or not local, but a dev environment. Yeah, and then just something like, I mean, this is something I should just do in general on my desktop too. Doesn't need, I don't need like a ton of these like tree sitter grammars. There's also stuff that just comes with that just comes with exe.dev. Like, I mean, there's already Claude, there's already Pi, there's already GH. Like some of those things. Um, I don't. Well, I mean, I guess it's nice to have it in the home manager too, but yeah, I don't need Nim. I don't need Pascal. I mean, let's do that when we get in here. Let's clean it up a little bit. Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up. Okay. No, echo. Yeah, cool. Ton of grammars and shit. Yeah, all grammars don't need that. Don't need that. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, so now I'll need to do JS auth. Yeah, I could just set up a token, right? That actually speed things up quite a bit. FA26. 1 FBB. 1 Okay, so let's see how much that gets. I'm going to do this manually. How about that? Yo, I never use Go. Fuck Go. I don't really use Lua because I'm doing NixVim instead. These are all reasonable. Okay, yeah, that's not nothing. That's not nothing. I'll take it. Gigabyte freed. Heck yeah. So okay. Yeah. There's probably tons of extra little stuff I could rip out, but I mean, look at that. Already the tree sitter is so much less scrap. Yep, and if we ran update, Yeah, okay. I think that's in a pretty good state already, you know? Well, um, oh, yeah. So this, yeah, so I'll make this like a to-do. Do that tomorrow. Okay. 9CD5. E8FB. It's getting a little late. I might call it at this point. I think everything's set up. I like where it's at. Pretty successful.